Here I've got SHARP C10, and let me show you how to block a number, how to create a blacklist on the following device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer, then click on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then select call settings. Here you should pick harassment settings, and then go to blacklist. And here by tapping on plus icon, you can add some contact, some number from call history, or simply add a number manually to make it a blocked one. So let me enter some number, click on OK, and from now on this number will not be able to reach you. Obviously you can add some contact or the number that were calling you. Then you can remove some number from your blacklist by tapping on bin icon and simply select this number. Click on remove, confirm, and that's it. Now this number will be able to reach you. And that would be all. This is how you can block a number in your SHARP C10. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.